Now, the 26th of November is a historic day as well for India as the nation celebrates Constitution Day. In his address, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed 75 years of India's Magna Carta, describing it as a lasting pillar of justice, equality and liberty. Tripti Tripathi brings us more.
It's a momentous day as India marks the Constitution Day at the Supreme Court in the national capital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation, expressed pride in 75 years of Indian Constitution, a timeless foundation of justice, equality and liberty.
हमारे संविधान निर्माता ये जानते थे कि भारत की आकांक्षाएं, भारत के सपने समय के साथ नई ऊंचाई पर पहुंचेंगे। भारतीयों को त्वरित न्याय मिले, इसके लिए नई न्याय संहिता लागू की गई है। दंड आधारित व्यवस्था अब न्याय आधारित व्यवस्था में बदल चुकी है। महिलाओं की राजनीतिक भागीदारी बढ़ाने के लिए नारी शक्ति बंधन अधिनियम का ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुआ है। हमने थर्ड जेंडर को उनकी पहचान और उनका हक दिलाने के लिए भी कदम उठाए हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the architects of India's constitution and highlighted its vital role in shaping modern India. Prime Minister Modi also said that for the first time in history, Constitution Day was celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir.
इसी कालखंड में आपातकाल जैसा समय भी आया और हमारे संविधान ने लोकतंत्र के सामने आई इस चुनौती का भी सामना किया। हमारा संविधान देश की हर जरूरत, हर अपेक्षा पर खरा उतरा है। संविधान से मिली इस शक्ति की वजह से ही आज जम्मू कश्मीर में भी बाबा साहब का संविधान पूरी तरह लागू हुआ है। आज वहां पहली बार संविधान दिवस मनाया गया है।
Prime Minister Modi reflected on the resilience of democracy and emphasized how Constitution has stood firm against such tests. To mark the occasion, Prime Minister Modi also released the annual report of the Indian judiciary. With Vikas Sarthi, Tripti Tripathi's report, DD India.
Well, as part of the Constitution Day celebrations, President Draupadi Murmu released a commemorative coin and stamp, 2 books, Making of the Constitution of India, A Glimpse, and Making of the Constitution of India and Its Glorious Journey were also unveiled. Additionally, a booklet dedicated to the art of the Indian Constitution was released, and a short film tracing the Constitution's making, historical importance and evolution was screened for the attendees as well. Maithili and Sanskrit versions of the Constitution's text were also released on the occasion. President Murmu also led the ceremonial reading of the preamble of the Constitution in the Central Hall of Parliament. And Indian embassies worldwide marked the 75th Constitution Day with solemn celebrations. In Sri Lanka, the preamble to the Constitution of India was read at the embassy, reaffirming the nation's commitment to its values and principles. In Japan, Ambassador Sibi George joined Team India and Friends of India in a collective reading of the preamble, symbolizing unity and shared ideals. And in Israel, Ambassador Sanjeev Singla led embassy officials in a reading of the preamble, highlighting India's constitutional spirit abroad.